Hi friends, it's Miss Paula. Today we are going to do an art project. We'll make a lighthouse. Lighthouses symbolize hope for a lot of people. So I am dedicating this little art video to Captain Chance. I have on his shirt right now. I'll show you the back of it too. He has just turned 5 years old and he's diagnosed with brain cancer. He's off for the month of October, and then he goes back to St. Jude for I think 7 months. So I'm dedicating this to him. Here's the back of the shirt. That's Captain Chance on there. And if you can just keep Chance and his family in your thoughts and send positive vibes and prayers their way, they would greatly appreciate it. Okay, what you're going to need to make the lighthouse, I love, love, love this little project. A styrofoam cup, a clear cup, a smaller one, a little bit of glue, Sharpies. You have to use permanent markers for this. That's all that will stay on the styrofoam. A little battery-operated tea light candle, some scissors to cut out your shapes. I actually cut out some little windows and a door, and I'll just glue those on, or you could make those with a Sharpie. And this is the top of your lighthouse. Oh, you actually need a stapler, and I forgot to do my stapler. Let's see if I can just put a spot of glue on it. Maybe it'll stay together long enough to work. For your circle, you just cut a line right down the middle of it halfway, and this will be your top of your lighthouse. I'm trying to hurry because I don't have much space on my iPad right now, so I hope I can get through the video. I take too many pictures. Okay, this is the top, and this will be the bottom of your lighthouse. So you can decorate this however you want. I'm going to go ahead and make a little ladder. I'm not going to do much decorating to this one because of time. Okay, I made my little ladder to go up. We'll stick the door on. But my kids at school, I've done this 3 different times now, and they loved this project. Even the ones that don't usually like art projects. So there's my little door. Put on a couple of windows. I have a finished one to show you. And I forgot to bring my rock over. It's really cute to sit it on top of a big rock. That's about as far as I'm going to take this one today. You can also add a little railing up around the top. You do that on the clear glass. My hand's shaky right now. Just make your little railing. And then you'll put your tea light in like this. You don't glue this cup on, you just set it right on top. You do glue this part on. You'll just put glue around the edge and then glue that. And this is how you make your little lighthouse. I have a finished one. I will show you. And you can find the tea lights at Walmart, Dollar Tree. I think Kroger has some in their Halloween department right now. But here's the little lighthouse. I did a lot more work to this one, and my kids really enjoyed working with the Sharpies and decorating them. But I just thought this was such a cute little project, and all of my students really loved making it. So, Chance, this one's for you. Sending love, light, and hope your way. Bye, guys. Thank you.